Now before we leave this Hello Ionic app, let's do a couple of fun things. How do you think you might customize that page list? If you said modify the app pages array, give yourself a pat on the back. I noticed that there is no sent mail page, so let's create one real quick and see what happens. Let's put it right between Outbox and Favorites. So let's select the Outbox object, copy and paste a new version right afterwards. Now change the second instance of the word Outbox to Sent Items, and change the URL to /page/sent. Let's leave the two icons alone. Microsoft Outlook uses that paper airplane icon for sent items. So instead, let's go ahead and save the file right now. Here's where it gets fun. As soon as you've saved these changes, the application will be rebuilt automatically and the browser will reload to reflect those changes. But now we have a problem. We've got two pages with the same icon. Let's go ahead and change the icon for the Outbox to Albums Outline for iOS and Albums Sharp for MD. If you're using Visual Studio Code, what you'll see is that it automatically recognizes those identifiers and offers to import them for you, and that's part of the strongly typed code hinting that you get from Ionic React. And again, as we save the page, the icon changes appropriately. What do you think will happen if you now click the new Sent menu? We didn't create a new page or a new route, so will we get a 404? Nope. The page component will render with its name set to the name portion of the route, which is Sent. This is because the page component itself is a pretty generic object. Not every page will be that clean and allow you to reuse it like that, but we will make use of this pattern in later chapters of the course. If you want to see where those icons came from, visit ionicons.com. For more information on the components, you can click the components link right in the middle of the Hello Ionic app itself. And that's a wrap for this lesson and this chapter. You should have a completely installed Ionic development environment, know how to create a new Ionic React app, and even do some minor customizations. So go forth, rejoice in your newfound power. Play around a bit between now and the next lesson. I hope to see you there soon.